Hello everyone, Professor Green again. Another special topic is report card comments. And if you haven't done them yet, what I think you'll find and what some of the students that I've talked to are finding, it can get hard to try and figure out ways to say something positive about a child, be engaging, make it, accurate. Obviously, that's based on each child. Accurate meaning what are they doing academically? Be accurate, be specific, make sure you give the reasons why. I always like to think of it, and some may suggest this is too simplistic, but I like to say, okay, here's the reason, here's what's happening academically, but then be specific. Use the word because. Add the word because whenever you're giving feedback to anybody. And then finally, be personal. Make sure it's personalized. You all really react well when I give you a personalized video or audio feedback to your work. Think that same thing for parents as well. Um, and if you do those things and you're thinking, remember, it's all about creating that relationship of respect and rapport and effective parent communication. It is about academics, but do you really know the child? Parents want to know that. And then, so think about that. And then if you Google report card comments or samples, here are just kind of the top three that I found, but there are hundreds of sites. I don't know, maybe not hundreds, but a ton of sites for you to go to. So here's one with 50, 125, and 100 comments that you can use. Obviously, don't copy and paste, make them yourself, but it can help you as you get into writing your own report card comments. So I hope this helps and take care.